Hello all, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see a freelancing site which is called guru.com. So here you can actually find a lot of jobs related to data entry, video editing, medical transcription, translation. So all these related jobs are actually available in this site, and you can find these jobs without any payment. Okay, so how to find the jobs without any payment, and how to verify whether the client or the job provider is genuine or not. All these things we'll be discussing in today's video, and also we'll be discussing what all things you have to give in your account, what are the various informations that you have to provide, and also the withdrawal details. Everything we'll be seeing in today's video. So if you are interested in data entry or medical transcription or video editing or logo design or any of these online jobs, then please do watch this video till the end. Okay. So we are going to see a website today which is called guru.com. We'll be seeing all details. Another thing, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel. Also follow us on our Instagram page. Okay, so here, this is the site homepage. You can see the various areas in which you can find jobs here. Programming and development, design and art, writing and translation, sales and marketing. Various areas are there. They have also given the employers detail, the number of employers, paid invoices, uh, everything they have given in detail. Also, they have given the areas and number of freelancers that are working in those areas in this website. Okay. Here you can see there is writing and translation. In this area, you can find the data entry related jobs. And also there is programming and development, design and art, the drawing, all those areas. If you are interested in working, you can find the jobs here. Then engineering and architecture, education and training, various variety of skills they're asking, and you can work as freelancers in all those areas. Okay. So you can first go through the details of the site before signing up. You can also check whether the site is genuine or not. Only then you need to sign up. Okay. So here, in order to sign up, just click on this icon called sign up. It will go to another page. You can either go for Facebook signing up or LinkedIn or Google. Okay. So you just have to give a full name and email ID. Then they'll send a verification code to the mail ID which you have provided. You have to verify your mail. Then you can start working with guru.com, and after that you have to fill all the details in your account. Okay. So after you verify your mail and you sign up, then you will get a page like this. They are asking for security questions just to make your account secure. Also, there is an option called skip for now. Just click on skip for now if you are not interested. So you can now see the profile that I've created. Okay. So here, before finding work or jobs, first you have to edit your profile. Okay. So here you can see there is an edit profile. You have to click on it. You can see the profile photo you can give. Then you can give the name, screen name, website link, then professional video link, then overview. You can give a bio details. You can give a tagline. Means if you are interested in data entry related jobs, you can give a tagline on that area. Then work terms, means if you have any working conditions or timing, you can give that details. So all these details related to your work, your interest in work, the area in which you are interested, all those details you can put in your info. Okay. So this is your about info. Then there is another icon which is called services and dedicated resources. Okay. Just click on it. You can see add a service or a dedicated resource. So you can click on it and just click on add a service. Now, if you are interested in particular area, means if you are interested in video editing, you can give the title like video editor, or if you are interested in data entry, means you can give it as data entry operator. Okay. Then you can also give a service description, means how all you are going to plan, there is work in this field, what are your features, what are your positive things you can give about your work culture or your service. Okay. It should not be greater than, there is a number of characters, should not be greater than 3000. Okay. So give a brief about your service and your working nature. And also you can give service category and skills. So from these listed items, you can select the skills which you are having. Then next thing, very important, which is called service cost, means what is the minimum cost at which you are interested in working? What is the maximum budget? So this is the rate or hour. This is the minimum budget. Okay. So here minimum is $5. Here it is minimum is 25. Okay. So rate per hour and minimum budget means if you are working for 1 hour, minimum you are expecting this. That is how much of amount you are expecting in dollars. You can give it here. And what is the minimum total budget you are expecting? You can give in this column. Okay. Next session is the service thumbnail. So you have to create a thumbnail of your whichever area you are going to work. In that area, what are your features? Everything you can brief in a thumbnail. So you see the thumbnails of YouTube, right? So just like that, you can actually give an idea about your service, your qualities, everything you can put in a thumbnail. So if you are having difficulties in creating this thumbnail, you can actually get a lot of thumbnail templates or ideas from Google. If just search on Google, okay. So you'll get a lot of sample thumbnails based on which you can also create a thumbnail of yours, okay. So that is a thumbnail session. So just give all these details and then click on save, okay. So after giving the details, there is maximum details after giving in your profile. Next, we are going to find jobs that are related to data entry or video editing, all those areas. Okay. So where you have to search is you have to search in this find work. Okay. So just click on this find work. You can see various jobs coming. Now, below the jobs that they have posted, you can see the client name or the person who have posted this job, that person detail and the country from which that person or the client is belonging to. You can see. Okay. So you can see various jobs has now come up. This is from India. This is from United States. So just like that, you can find the person or the client name and the location. Okay. And also along with that client details, you can see the amount of money that person has spent. So here you can see the job, the person is belonging from Sweden, and the amount also that he have spent means he have already given lot of works to other freelancers and he have spent this much of money. Okay. And also if you click on this client details or the name of the client, just click, you can see the number of jobs posted means this client has posted 34 jobs in this site, and also you can see the feedbacks about this client. So before taking up any of the job, just if you can verify the client, then it would be good, okay, because you know that there is actually a lot of scam and fake jobs you can find in any of this site, not just this one. But in any of the freelancing site, if you are going, you can also face these problems. Okay. So first verify the client and see the feedbacks before taking up a project or a job. Okay. So here you can see this person, he has not spent any money. So if you are actually finding another same job from a verified person, then it will be better that you take that job. Okay. And also along with some clients, you can see there is a green tick mark. Okay. So if you go below and see, you can see a green tick mark along with some clients, and that means they are verified. Okay. Or you can, if you are not seeing a tick mark, you can see the amount of money that person has spent. Okay. And yeah, here you can see a tick mark. Okay. Or if you are seeing the amount of money that person has spent, and if you click on the review, you can see that if the person is genuine and if it is having good feedback, that person is having good feedbacks, then you can take up that job. Okay. Now, if you are interested in data entry related jobs, just click on, that is, just type data entry here and then enter. Now you can see various jobs on data entry related area. Okay. Again, you can see various verified persons are there. Now let us click on this. Okay, this client. So he is having actually good feedbacks. Okay. So the persons, that is the freelancers who have worked with this client, has given feedbacks. So based on the feedbacks, you can take jobs. Okay. So this is one thing you can do to verify the clients or to verify the projects that are coming. Okay. Next, in order to apply or take up a project, what do you have to do? Okay. So you can see that there is a send a quote. There is an icon like this here. Just click on it. So when you click on the send quote icon, you will get a page like this. So you can see there is a new page coming up. Here, this is the page for submitting the code. Okay, so you have to give all your amount details, in which basis, that is how your payment should be, whether it is fixed price or hourly basis or recurring payments or task based. You can select these options and you can give the details, and then finally you can submit the code. Okay. So before that, I'll give you that is what all things these are. Fixed price means the total amount will be fixed, and you can actually divide it as various milestones. Consider that the total job you are dividing as 3 sessions. And on the first session, if you're completing that first session, you are also going to give a date in which you will be approximately completing that first part or first session. And you want this much of amount that for that the first session. And the second session also you will be completing by this date and you need this much of amount. So likewise, you can actually set your milestones if it is on a fixed price. Okay. Then hourly basis means you are actually going to say that I'll be working, and for every hour I'm working, I need this much of money. Then recurring payments means it is like salary. That is, we know that if you are working in an organization, you will be getting a fixed amount as a salary, and it is a recurring amount, right? So just like this, you can also go for recurring payments. Or else you can go for a task based method, means this total job will be having various important tasks, and for each task, that is each important task that you are going to complete, you will be getting this much of amount. Okay, so these are the various methods you can opt. And if you are going for a fixed price, you can set the details of milestones here. Okay, now before going to select these details, just have a look on the job posted by the client. Here he have given very clearly that it is on a fixed price. Okay, so fixed price is between $250 to $500. Okay, so how much amount you want and how you are going to divide it. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to give the amount. So I'll be just giving you the milestone details. So first I'm going to give it as first approval, and I'm going to give a date here. I'm going to set it as 30th of June, and the amount I'm going to set here is 25, because minimum they have given 25. I'm only giving first milestone. Just click on this continue, and then also you can give the scope of work, means how you are going to work. You can also address the client. That is, if the client name is given here, you can say that, hi sir, I'm going to that is, I'm interested in taking up your work. I'll be working in this basis. I'm going to actually divide your job like this, and I'm going to complete the first part like this and second part like this. You can give a detail of your, that is how you are actually planning to do the work. Okay, scope of work means the plan that you are going to apply to complete this job. And then after giving that, just click on continue. Then finally submit the code. Okay. So here you can submit the code. Okay. So here, if you submit the code, means you have expressed an interest in taking up this job posted by the client. Okay. So clearly you can now understand that without paying any money or any deposit, you can get jobs. Like this, you can take, we have just randomly taken one job. Like this, you can go for verified jobs and verified clients. Okay, so take up the job like this. Now, there is also another option for verification. Okay, now let us talk about the verification. Now, the verification means you are going to verify your ID details and everything. and you're going to pay $4, 4 point something dollars to this website, and you're going to verify uh, you as a candidate. And then the advantage of verifying is you will be getting more and more works. Okay. So your chance of getting more and more works will be increasing. Now that is not mandatory. You can also take up a lot of jobs without verification also. But just I'm giving you the information. Okay. So if you are not interested, you can skip. But just here, what is the verification process? So just click on the verify now. Now you can see the various details that you have to give here. You have to give your contact number or contact information first. Just click on that start. Okay. Now you have to give the contact information. Then also you have to give the current photo. Now while giving the current photo, you should be, that is your face should be looking forward. Your eyes should be seen clearly. Everything should be seen clearly from your face. Okay. And government issued ID card. You can give any ID card. That can be PAN card or Aadhaar card or any ID card you can give. Then proof of address you have to give. Then next is your card details. Then finally submit for review, and for that you have to pay $4.95. Again, I'm saying you can skip this verification. You can also get a lot of free jobs without any verification or anything. Okay. So that's all about the process of taking jobs. I have given you information regarding how to verify the clients. Just go through the feedbacks and verify the client, only then take up the jobs. Okay. Next, let us talk about the payment methods. Here you can see there is payments. Just click on the payment methods. There is invoices, transfer methods, cash account, and all those details. Just click on the transfer methods. You can see the various methods that they are there is in which they are giving you the money. Okay, there is bank account details, PayPal, credit card, wire transfer, Pioneer. Also, these are the various methods. Okay, so here the bank account details are actually not available in our country. It is for US based banks and all. Okay, so you can better go for PayPal method. Okay, so because if you see mostly all these online jobs, and the payments clients are giving through PayPal only. Okay, so if you are interested in online jobs, just create a PayPal account. It will be the most good thing. That is, so that's all for today's video. We have explored the website called guru.com. You can actually find a lot of freelancing jobs here without any deposit or anything. We have seen in very detail how to find the jobs and all, because in the previous video when I have uploaded the video on Truelancer, many people was asking me there is details on how to actually apply for a job or a work. Okay, so in this video I have given all those details. So please make advantage of these informations. If you are interested, you can register to this website and you can find a lot of jobs and you can start working. Okay. Before going or registering to any site, not just this site, to any other site, just verify the site, read reviews about the site, go through YouTube videos, go through YouTube reviews, and then take up the that is the opportunity or register. Okay. So that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share the video with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.